And make sure you stay until the end because I will be giving one of you guys a complete Dyson Airwrap set. I did not stutter. That's a nar, I did not. So I will be showing you guys how I curl my hair using my Dyson Airwrap, and at the end I will be announcing how you can enter my giveaway in winning a whole Dyson set yourself. Yes, it is free. If it's free, it's for me, it's for you. I got you, boo. Hello? Hi guys, it's me, Christine Duan, also known on the internet as Gloss House. I've finally made it to the YouTube side of the world, so please bear with me, please be kind. I know this place is hard to stay humble and keep humble, so I hope that you guide me along the way and, you know, just help me through any trials, tribulations, or mistakes that I make along the way. I'm learning. I actually am recording this right now because the first time I filmed, the audio was not on and I had to redo all my makeup and my hair again and film this intro, but it's fine. Yeah, I have like a lot of anxiety and, you know, it's a really vulnerable space, and I hope that you guys don't hate me because my therapy is expensive. I just got a new therapist and, you know, she's out on leave because she is pregnant right now. So please don't send too many hate comments. I literally don't know what I would do with myself. Thank you. made it here to the end. I told you and I promised you that I will be giving one of you guys a complete Dyson Airwrap of your own. During the semi-annual sale, I did purchase 2 because I knew I wanted to give one away whenever I launched this YouTube channel. And I love this colorway so much, so I really am excited. I've been holding on to this for like nearly 6 months, and the time is here and the time has come. If you're watching this, it's probably on my birthday. I hate my birthday, so I wanted to celebrate with you guys, and I wanted to do it in a really special way. So thank you for all the support and appreciation along the way. If you were here from my Instagram, this is where my journey began, and I'm excited. I can't wait to watch this video like a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, and see where I end up. So please be kind to me. I'm doing my best. If I make any mistakes along the way, just please help guide me in the right direction. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So I realized I already suck at this YouTube thing because I forgot to tell you guys how to enter before I ended my last recording. So I'm gonna make it really easy. Just be 18 years of age or older to enter. Live within the 50 US states. I cannot ship internationally because this is my own money and my own purchase. Please understand. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and then leave an orange emoji down below. I will pick a winner on